Jennifer Klein here, Coldwell Banker, and I am with the beautiful Liz Baeza, American Pacific Reverse Mortgage, and we're here to talk a little bit more about the benefits of a reverse mortgage. One of the biggest tools that I'm super excited to use it for is obviously the power of purchasing. It's no longer just for refinancing, and tell us a little bit about purchasing.
Let's talk a little bit about purchasing. Some of the ways that this helps a client purchase a home is that when used down payment funds, be careful of not having to access funds that are going to cause a taxable event. Now, I'm putting it out there, I'm not a CPA, so consult with one, but most definitely, if there's an avenue where you don't have to hit that money and cause more of a pain, I might say, in grabbing money where it doesn't need to be used from, let's look at this option to help you preserve your assets when doing a purchase.
So leveraging, basically, if you have a retirement account, basically taking out half of the retirement account, leaving half of it in place, saving yourself that taxable event. That's a huge thing. It's a very powerful tool. I think one of the other ones is that you can use it for income. You can get a monthly income.
Absolutely. So yes, depending on your situation, you know, it could be used as a monthly income. If there's enough equity in the home and there's a reason that there's some income needed, then use it as an avenue for that. And the good thing about that is that that income coming in on the reverse mortgage is not taxable. You're not getting a 1099. It's loan proceeds. It's not earned income. So it's tax-free.
So it won't put you in a different tax bracket. That's cool.
Yeah.
The other thing in regards to the reverse that I thought was interesting is you can make payments on that reverse. You don't have to just collect the money, but you can make payments on it if you're concerned about equity for your heirs or whatever the case may be, or if you would like, if you're expecting some other huge income, you can pay it off. So if you use it as a purchasing tool and you know in a year or two or three or whatever that some of your investments are going to mature, you can use that money to pay the mortgage off and own your house free and clear.
Yeah.
So
that's a huge tool. I mean, there's no prepayment penalty. Let's say you qualify for monthly income and you go to Thunder Valley and you hit it big.
All right.
Hey, and you want to pay off that mortgage, there's no prepayment penalty. Or the other great thing about it is if you just want to stop that monthly income from coming in and putting that in a credit line, and you actually, there's a growth rate associated with that, which is a little bit more technical. We can't get into it here, but it is a great tool. You can use it for so many different things. So keep that in mind. No prepayment penalty. You can start it and stop it whenever you'd like just by a simple call. Costs you $25. It's very flexible.
One of the other things that I also heard and caught wind of, and obviously we are not CPAs, but there are other tax benefits involved with the interest and the payment collection and all that kind of stuff. Again, talk to your CPA, but there may be tax benefits for you to purchase or even collect that income through that reverse.
Yeah, it does. It will help you. Sit down. Let's sit down if you have questions. Let's go over your whole situation, and we'll give you options that might best work for you. So like we said, we can look at all avenues so you're not creating a taxable event if it's not necessary.
Yeah, thank you, Liz. You want to give your contact information?
Sure. Liz Baeza, 916-223-8869, or via email at lbaeza@apmortgage.com.
And I am Jen at jenklein.com, and I'm 916-230-3880, and obviously more for me at jenklein.com. Thanks.
Thank you.